Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to add subscribe button on Capcut. So the first thing you need to do is download a subscribe button with a green screen, okay? So choose the chroma key. So in that site right here, the pixabay.com, you can download many of subscribe buttons, okay? Many types of subscribe buttons, so you just choose one and download. After that, you need to make sure your CapCut on your cell phone was updated, okay? And after that, you open your CapCut and upload the video you wanted to add that button and your button with the green screen, okay? After that, you basically put that two videos on the timeline, okay? And in the bottom side of our screen, you need to swipe to the right to find chroma key, okay? After you find chroma key, you just tap then, and after that, you need to manage the intensity and the shadow to remove that green background, okay, that green screen, and just keep the subscribe button right here, okay. As you see right here, I manage the intensity and the shadow to just keep the button, okay, and remove that green background. So I hope I can help with this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!